Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a creator code in Epic Games, and this is actually very simple. At first, head over to Epic Games and log in. From there, you want to click on your profile and then click on account, and then we're going to wait for that to load. Now you see creator programs at the left, almost bottom, so we're going to click on that, and then support a creator, so we're going to click on get started. As you can see, support a creator. So are you a creator? So we have to apply. So as you can see, you have to verify your account and then enable two-factor authentication. So we're going to do that very quickly inside password and security. So click on continue, and then as you can see, a code has been sent to my Gmail. So enable email authentication. As you can see, you've successfully set up an email. Now this has been enabled. So what we're going to do is click over here and then go to start acknowledging, click on submit. So we're going to read all of that. Just scroll down, and I've read, and if you want to get updates or not, that is up to you. And then verification. So let's say my code, I want it to be Fab the Gamer 001. As you can see, it has been okay. So you also need to add your social account, and the last step would be your tax and payout. And once you complete it, this would be your creator code, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.